In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nano Banana. Whether you're an artist, designer, or just someone who enjoys playing around with images, this tool has something to offer everyone. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to kick things off by heading over to your favorite search engine and typing in Nano Banana. This will bring up a list of results, and what you're looking for specifically is the link for Nano Banana, the Gemini AI image generator and photo editor. Once you spot it, give it a click and you'll be taken to the main page. Now, on this page, you'll find an option saying Try Gemini, which is the button you need to press to begin your journey with Nano Banana. Clicking here opens up a whole world of creative possibilities at your fingertips. Once you've selected it, you'll see an option to create image, represented by a fun little banana emoji. Click on that to kick off your image creation process. Next, it's time to let your creativity soar. You'll need to type in your prompt describing what you'd like your image to look like. The best part about Nano Banana is its ability to transform your text descriptions into stunning visual art. Feel free to play around with the descriptions and keep refining them until you're thrilled with the outcome. The possibilities are endless. Maybe you have a photo you'd like to tweak or elevate. Nano Banana allows you to do just that. Simply click on Add Files to upload your chosen photo. After uploading, you can type in specific prompts to guide the software in how you want the photo to evolve. Perhaps you want to change the setting or add a magical element. The prompts guide the AI and you continue refining until perfection is achieved. One of my favorite features is the ability to blend multiple photos together. You can weave your magic by typing in a prompt that melds two images into one masterpiece. Whether you're envisioning a shift in background or want to place yourself in an entirely different scene, just adjust your prompts accordingly. Now, as you work through this exciting process, you might find yourself needing to redo a generated image. If that's the case, there's no need to worry. Right below the image, there's an option to start over and try again. Alternatively, if you've created something that exceeds your expectations and you're ready to save it, hover over the image. In the top right-hand corner, you'll find the option to download your full-size creation. Voila! You've successfully navigated through Nano Banana. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you find this tool as fascinating and useful as I do. Happy creating and see you in the next video.